Have you ever seen this equation and wondered how it could possibly be true? E raised to the power of I pi equals -1. It looks almost magical, but today we're going to break it down step by step so you understand exactly what each part means and why this equation is true. First, what is E? E is a special number in mathematics, approximately 2.71828. It's the base of the natural logarithm, and it appears everywhere in nature and science. One way to define it is as the limit. As n gets larger and larger, 1 plus 1 over n, all raised to the power of n, approaches the value e. Next, what is I? I is the imaginary unit. It is defined as the square root of -1. I equals square root of -1. Because no real number multiplied by itself gives a negative result, mathematicians created I so we could work with square roots of negative numbers. This lets us move from the one-dimensional number line into a two-dimensional plane. Now comes the beautiful part, raising e to an imaginary power. The key is a formula discovered by Leonhard Euler. It says that for any angle theta in radians, e raised to the power of I theta equals cosine of theta plus I times sine of theta. In math notation, e to the I theta equals cos theta plus I sine theta. This is called Euler's formula. It connects exponential functions with trigonometry in an incredibly elegant way. So let's use it with our angle theta equals pi radians. Pi radians is exactly 180 degrees, half a full circle. Plugging in, e to the I pi equals cos of pi plus I sine of pi. We know from basic trigonometry that cosine of pi equals -1, sine of pi equals 0. Therefore, e to the I pi equals -1 plus I times 0. E to the I pi equals -1. That's it. So when you write e to the I pi equals -1, you're really saying that rotating by 180 degrees in the complex plane gives you exactly -1 on the real axis. This single equation connects 5 of the most important numbers in mathematics, ei, pi, 1, and 0, if you rearrange it to e to the I pi equals 0. It's often called the most beautiful equation in math because it ties together exponentials, imaginary numbers, and trigonometry in one perfect line. And now you know exactly why it's true. That's the magic of e to the I pi equals -1.